Once only controller is basically used wherein you want something in your script to be executed only once throughout your load test, and it is basically used in single login logout scenarios wherein you want to log in your virtual user one time, log out one time, and do the remaining transactions multiple times. So in that case you can use once only controller. In configuration settings of once only controller, you can specify name of that controller and any comments as per your requirements you can add over here. In recording controller basically does not handles or controls the execution of your request. It just captures the request while you are recording through a proxy. So recording controller is just used for recording the samplers, or you can say recording the request while doing proxy recording. Apart from that, it does not have any control over the execution of API's content inside it. In runtime controller, there is an option to specify number of seconds until which you want to run this APIs, API 1 and 2. So if I specify 100 over here, these two APIs will get execute for a duration of 100 seconds. So that is the use of this runtime controller. So this was about logic controller.